Hands laser metal 3D printing equipment. Metal 3D printing is a 3D printing technology that directly prints metal parts using metal powder based on 3D model files. It is also known as metal powder sintering. Metal 3D printing technology has wide application in aerospace, mold manufacturing, automobile industry, medical manufacturing, and many other fields. It can manufacture complex irregularly shaped metal parts and print various metal materials, including carbon alloy, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, etc. Hands Matrix 3D has been committed to the research, development, and production of metal 3D printing equipment for many years. It currently has many 3D printing equipment suitable for processing different sizes of products. The Powder Bed Fusion 3D printer Hands M460 is equipped with 4 laser heads. It also has a fully open process data package that facilitates secondary process development. It is equipped with a powder self-circulating system and a movable cylinder, as well as a separate powder cleaning and product collection station. It provides you with a safe, stable, and efficient independent circulating purification system. The maximum molding size of this equipment is for 50mm** for 50mm** 600mm, suitable for continuous and stable production of large-sized products. Applicable materials include stainless steel, mold steel, cobalt-based alloy, high-temperature alloy, titanium alloy, aluminum alloy, etc.